it's the weekend, it's the weekend.
Pastel pink in the sunset. You know I never wanna make you upset. How did I become so obsessed with this?
Bonjour mes amis, ça va? I'm hoping everybody's doing well today. Hey, it's the weekend, it's the weekend. So today is a bit different. We are doing an unboxing of stuff that I bought when I was in Valle, of the designer labels that I went and purchased. So I just wanted to share a bit of what I did get so that when you do go, you know what to expect, and you can see what lovely goodies I got my hands on this time around. I hope you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you subscribe. Let's get into it. So the first item that I got my hands on was from Prada. I really always wanted to, I've never actually bought anything from Prada, so I was like, oh my gosh, I need to get myself something from Prada. I mean, there's a whole movie about it, Devil Wears Prada, and I was like, you can't go to a designer outlet and not get yourself something from Prada. So let's see what I was able to get my hands on. I bought myself a pair of sunglasses because I really needed some sunglasses because it's summer this side, and we're trying to hit the beach looking cute and whatever. So these are the glasses that I got from Prada. If you open them up, it comes with, the packaging is really nice as well. It's got Prada everywhere. It's got the Prada writing there, and it's got to wipe the glasses, as well as I guess it's a little letter. It's for authentication that it's, you've got the real McCoy. And even inside the box you can see it's just got like the Prada engraved all over it. It's really nice. What else did I have in here? Oh, and you also get the letter, the receipt comes in this document. It really is quite fancy, aren't we? Ooh, okay, we're not trying to see how much it is. But yeah, all the documentation of the receipt is all in here. And yeah, that's about it. And just like some more Prada engraved documents. Anyway, so let's check it, the actual sunglasses. As you can see, it has a Prada on the outside. And then you just open it up like this. And I got these. These are the glasses that I got my hands on. I loved this because I wanted to make sure that, it was the real McCoy. Like, girl, we gotta be out here in the streets, slaying with our Pradas, without, how we do. So now I literally feel like Meryl Streep. Like, I just can just like look at you and just be like, oh, and walk away. So totally in love with these. I can't wait to wear them for summer, get myself some summer vibes with my cute Prada sunglasses. So yeah, these are really, really cute. They have if you see, they have the Prada engraved on the sides. It's really, really nice stuff. Anyway, that's for the Prada sunglasses. I then went on, I wanted a handbag, I wanted a bag. So actually went to Marc Jacobs. Went to Marc Jacobs, able to get my hands on a new satchel because I love satchels. I'm such a satchel girl. And then here, not as fancy as the Prada situation. You don't get like, any fancy lettering, but you do get like, it just says Marc Jacobs there. Nothing too fancy in that. But yeah, you get the bag that I actually ended up getting was this one. It's a satchel. If you live in France or you live in Europe in general, it's like satchels are like the most convenient thing. I can't have like an actual, handbag because half of the time I'm in a train, it's very convenient for you to just have a satchel with you all the time to put all your stuff, your goodies in and just be on your way. So handbags are just too much work. I think if anything, I'll buy one and maybe for when I go back home, something, more, maybe like a Louis. I was thinking a Louis, but we'll see if we got the money for that. Because I right now I just need a satchel because Paris is just, you don't want to be holding around a whole handbag. It's just a lot of work, unnecessary work for your life. Don't do it. So that's why I invested in another satchel. So cute. I love the design. It's like rounded. I've never seen this before. And it's got the bag thingy, what do you call it? I don't know what you call this thing, but this thing, what you use it to put around your yourself. And it has the label right here. It's really quite pretty. I'm really excited about it. Let me see if I can undo this so you can see it. Okay, there we go. So you can see the satchel itself like sauce. It's really, really cute. I love this. I think this was also what got me. It's really nice, different, it's unique, and it's going to be very convenient for me to go around and get around in Paris, as you would know. So it's got two places for me to store some stuff in. So it's great. I love this. So convenient. So I'm going to be using this a bit more often going on in the future. But yeah, really cute. And then I got myself, because I wanted some sneakers. Another thing in Paris, if you live in Paris, you know that you do not wear heels. Like, I do have heels, but like, I'll show you. This is the most heely I will ever go in Europe. That's it. That's as high as it goes. We do not have the time to be wearing heels in those gravel roads that we have, okay? Like, you walk half of the time, you're trying to catch a train half of the time. There's no time to be out here like carrying yourself or wearing some serious high heels. So for that reason, I hardly ever look at high heels right now. I know, maybe I don't know, maybe when I'm older I'll change my mind. But right now I'm enjoying wearing sneakers, and I have a lot of sneakers because that's what I'm always wearing generally, because first of all, like, they're comfortable walking around in Paris, and also they just look really cute with any outfit. You can wear like a cute dress and still look, you know, put together with your really nice sneakers. So I didn't need, because I mean, saying needing is a bit dramatic. I wanted a new pair of sneakers, so I got myself some sneakers from Michael Kors. So this is a bag that I got it in. Michael Kors, I mean, if you've bought from Michael Kors, you know that that's just, you know, the norm. Okay, let me see if I can get the sneakers out. So, here are the sneakers that I went to purchase. I ended up getting these. Can you see? These are so cute. I love the little K's all over, and you know, it's really, it's gonna be a really good sneaker to work with anything that I'm wearing. And me, I like, this is my type of sneaker. I know I'm very much a girly girl. I love my sneakers to be, you know, girly in some way or another. So this, to me, the color is perfect for me. I love the pink. Definitely utilizing them this summer. Excited to walk my way through Paris, because ain't nobody trying to be wearing heels. No, it's not happening here. We just don't do it. We do not do it. It's not happening. I love this these little details that you'll only get with designer labels. Like, it has the MK at the back of the sneaker. It's really cute. So cute. Anyway, those are my sneakers from MK. Then I got stuff for my family, because, bro, if you know my family like always. Then my mama, first of all, likes things. My mom's such a designer, you know, such a fashionista. So you can't, like, you know, forget her, and she will make sure that you do not forget her. So I got some stuff for them as well. I'll start with my brother. I also got something for my brother. But the problem with my brother, he was such a problem. Like, honestly, I went to so many shops there, and I found these amazing sneakers from Dolce & Gabbana for him, and he didn't have his size. I was so annoyed. I was half of the time like, Simpure, like, you know, like, what the hell? Like, find something. And I was literally about to give up. I'm not joking. I was about to leave that place without having found anything for him. But I did find something for him at Armani. Because he's a sneaker guy as well. He's a guy. So here are the sneakers I got for him from Armani. Very cute. He liked, not even cute because he's a guy, but like he said he wanted something very like simple, but you know, that has like a little bit of it. So I think this is really cute. It's really nice to, you know, just have a pop of, you know, just like, okay, that's Armani, so better watch out, y'all. Watch out. He's in the streets. But like, for me, it was really difficult for me to find anything for him. I'm not gonna lie. I'm so glad that I did find something for him. Going forward, I don't know where I'm gonna look. I need to maybe change designer labels, whatever, and look for. But I think Armani and just maybe, I don't know, I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to just look in other places as well. I don't know if Louis has his size, but we'll see. We'll see going forward when we do get some stuff for him as well. where we shop for him, because it was quite difficult, I'm not gonna lie. Then finally it was my mom. My mom, if you know my mom, she is a fashionista of note, guys. Like, my mom has, like, sometimes I'm just like, whose mother are you? Whose daughter am I? Because me and my mom are not the same person. Like, we're so different. She's just like out there, like, you know, dresses up to, you know, different crazy outfits, but it always really looks great. I'm gonna put up a photo of her looking, you know, extra as so you understand what I'm talking about. So when I went shopping for her, I didn't even try to like look for something myself. I was like, I had my phone and I was like looking around the shop and I was like, what do you like? Because if I was to say something, it would probably be not loud enough or not, you know, extra enough for her. So definitely did not want to shop for her without her knowing what it was that I was getting her. So I found something for my mom at Versace. This is the box that it came in. I've got her sneakers. Yeah, she wears sneakers, guys. Don't ask me. My mom wears sneakers. So I got her sneakers from Versace. Let's see. If you open it, leather containing, I don't know, some sign of some Versace thingy over there. And if you open it, you can see there is the authentication, the Versace authentication. Let me just see if I can open it. Yeah, you even get like a letter with like a barcode that shows you that your thing is real, you know. If you take the box and you see, there's like, first thing that you see as well is this cloth that you can put your sneakers in. It's really nice. Ooh. Cloth that you can put your sneakers in going forward to keep them, you know, safe and looking fabulous. So I showed her these and she fell in love with these. Mama, yeah, these are so loud, right? But my mom is a loud person, so I'm definitely not surprised by this. If you can concentrate or zone in on the little Versace labels over there, and then, well, it's not too loud. It's like, okay, let me not lie, it's pretty loud. And there's like the monogram at the bottom there. But it's very unique. I like them because they were different. They're very unique. Cute. It's very cute sneakers that she wanted me to get for her. These were really expensive. I'm not gonna lie. I think my mom's stuff was the most expensive stuff that I got. But you know, for your mama, you gotta do what you gotta do for your mama. So, mama, we love you. So those are the main things that I got myself at La Valle during my little, you know, shopping spree. I will be doing another one. I'm not sure when. Maybe in the next 2 months or so, to just get my pocket back to some level of normality. And looking up some new stuff or whatever is happening, whatever labels or new designer labels are available, because I did see Balmain was coming out there, so I really want to get myself a really cute Balmain shirt or like a jumper. So I think I'm gonna probably go back in like 2 months and see what else they've got new. And also I wanted to buy, so let me know if you like this type of video, if you want to see more stuff of what I get in Paris. So just make sure you like and comment on my videos, so I know that you guys are interested in this type of content, and I'll make some more. Yeah, guys, I'll go spend more money. Life, right? So as you know, I had a competition going on for my 100 subscribers, and I had some Sephora goodies for the winner. And today I'm going to be announcing who the winner is. Woo! Be contacting you and letting you know you have won the competition. Thank you so much for entering, guys, and supporting me so far. If you like more of me sitting down, you know, with you guys having chit chats, or if you want to see more of Paris and places to go in Paris, like vlogs, let me know what you guys like. Fun time with you guys. I hope you've enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys next week. Au revoir, mes amis.